Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If minute upon the beat and it can't see. Pan on the screen. Likkle Addi took over him daddy business. You see my people call you know Dancehall King Vybz Kartel. I want burner than no. You see I say boy oh boy oh boy oh boy oh boy oh boy, and already the Likkle one is causing problems out here. This is my saying it's a story I've been trying to avoid since last week, my peeps. Yeah, but nevertheless, I'm sending it in again, some different people. So say it's very big, and if me not drop it, somebody I go drop it. So nevertheless, this is what's going on. Rumors on the street, Likkle Addi and him new baby mother has broken up. You see me say, and he has took the daughter away from her. You see me? I don't know how true that is, but as you can see, the little one has been around him for some time now. You see me? I say in America. You know what I mean? Put in the comment section what you think about that. Because honestly, me the thing say, him was just being a great dad, you feel me? Because we already know what happened in the last situation. And this situation come out and he's, ecstatic and happy. But nevertheless, you see the browning back there. Yeah. The same one and bring to him birthday party the other night. This is what the son of them is talking about. So it look like say, boy oh boy oh boy oh boy, me not gonna say she take away the baby mother man. But this is what they're saying. This is Vybz Kartel son baby mother. And she all pop up with new man. You see me say, I said if she's from TikTok because some people on TikTok did that to them, but them send it in on IG no. So boom, yes, she all fine man already. And I realized that the boy of the child, she was posting a lot of stuff on her IG. A bunch of subliminal stuff and all of these things. You know what I mean? But me have been a try avoid the story from last Tuesday, but someone just sent it in saying this no king you notice saying Lil Addi left him baby mother and take away the child. You see me I say, and a new girl that, the same one that, was at his party, like we mentioned before. And no, check out the baby mother page. They unfollowed each other and all of this good stuff. And for the Christmas, she didn't even, get a photo with the child. You know what I mean? We see her, they post up one photo with, I guess she has a child before Likkle Addi. But yeah, when you see the people that misnoticing out there, you see me, my people, putting out the comment section. What do you think I go on from that to go on? You see me, because like I said, one burner done, you send on the business to the Likkle Addi, you see me. But me just giving them quick update in the night. This is what social media streets is saying. So Una putting out the comment section what Una saying. Let's proceed to the next, isn't it? Okay, people, rumors are spreading. Sidem is breeding again, meaning, them always a dash belly panna and all of these things. You see, I say, but this time around, people, it might be some little validity in the confusion because, as you can see, she was sipping in the first video, and you can see her tossing it to the side. You know what I mean? No, a lot of people is saying, Turkish restaurants don't have all of these type of beverages and all of these things, right? But we see her sip in a Panama. You see me say, I don't know if it was apple juice in the champagne glass, but we see what we see. You know what I mean? I know me post up the rumor sent in my IG yesterday, I think, and you say Carter like it. So I'm not saying that she, and I'm not saying that he is confirming the rumors, but only see what the people are must say. Put in the comment section what you think about that. And if it is, it's not surprising because we know say him done contributed to how much youth out here already with Shorty and the rest of the baby mothers. So see them, it would be next in line because say one burner down business. This is man say. But me just giving a quick update what go on for now. Go on, you see me? Let's proceed to the next. Now, the next trending story I have to deal with World Dog. But boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, his homie, or I should say homegirl, came out and say him did the pan one chichi boat ride on one yacht in Florida. This man say and left Yannick at home. Put in the comment section what you think about saying his homegirl because boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, Sky them attack the thing. Yeah, because as you look pan homegirl look like homeboy, you see me so. Yeah, let us hear what I go on for that to go on, and we proceed with the next.
You know her from Chicago school? Coming out the box, baby. Which one of the school I used to go with him? Mount Alvernia? Alright, now me I have blood clot migraine. We are from Montego Bay. That mean me file right. Him come from Mobile for true. Come in at the box, Miss Diva. Come here.
Sky,
Yeah.
where Chopper do chicken sister? I say, she a man.
Say my man when him a woman.
Oh, for how long? Chopper do that and chicken sister for? How long? Because I want to take it serious though, I can't, but me I try to listen. To see how which part me get serious, yeah.
Funny FYP in your world dog I talk about it.
No, you hear did I say it last night.
Alright then, so them meet over favorites when we did over favorite June. When me left come over, the two of them there. Them they from June. And she never know till World Dog and Chopper of course, because World Dog and Chopper are best friend for years. Them are friends for years.
Oh.
Chopper mother work a World Dog yard and take care of World Dog pick me and them something. So them close.
Yeah.
So when Chopper and World Dog fall out and Chopper tell my and World Dog I tell my sister says a woman and fuck her. I so make she know says a woman and fuck her because she start looking into it and I say she never seen who date for true.
Oh, Chopper a fat person.
One brown, he look like man.
With beard and something, when we see that one car.
Senior, him, that person here with him and World Dog I go back and forth.
Oh, and the people them that say, oh.
He's born as a woman, crazy.
Jesus Christ.
And him wicked guy come like him have deal that fuck the girl him and then don't know. My sister never seen would yet never touch it. No woman when they would never see him would. And they have one girl on TikTok here when we have one blue ear. The girl say the two of them fuck her and I deal them use fuck her. That means that she know him is a woman. That means that him just she, the next girl in him blue. That means that him would make she knows.
Oh, so Chopper, I deceive the people there.
Yes. That means that the girl with the blue ear, she say a strap on him use.
No, but so Sky, when it come, even if they see people right to and this or tag along, when it come on to fucking time, oh, somebody I got this seat.
Don't you hear me say she naive? She dey on the live, you know. Don't you hear me say, me say to her, me hear me say, me tell her over the phone to me say.
No matter how naive there is, girl. You can't naive in a them time. That means a man post a man have a wood where pay bump the pan or something. Or man would you have to look pan the wood where you take.
God almighty.
You somebody for check you with plastic for real wood.
She can't manage no more beating me. No,
not beat no, but it just you know, I can't take it serious.
Tell her, say when you go.
Yeah, these are some serious times. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next exhibit. Now, rumors is spreading that Buju Banton United States visa has been revoked for some reasons. I don't know. Mr. Master, but let's listen to what the eye has to say, and then I'll give you my opinion at the end.
The stone the builder refuse. We come back the chief cornerstone. Them call Yasso the Rock, Jamaica, and this big festival song, No Way No Better Than Ya. Ta! What is this? Mark my way. Otherwise known as Buju Banton in the reggae dancehall world. The last time we hear from him was the 12th of December 2025 when he was slaughtering and burning out the airport when him cog up and touchdown with relief for Melissa people and them thief left, right and center out of the barrel. Even burn out the minister, and that's not alone. This up and style up the prime minister at a place, but yeah, and abroad. Look here now, sad news. According to the source, we yesterday them take him visa, revoke it, and his work permit. Is it alleged? Or it must go so. Because of it from 12th of December, we not hear no chatting from him. Not sure we not see for him. And we know who Buju Banton is. He's a rebel, a revolutionist. And him not say a bird. Well, we're not wishing bad for Buju, but Buju, remember this is yard, Jamaica. And anywhere you go, when them slaughter you, the boat you run on left, right, and center. And yes, so you have to come back. And we welcome you same way. You get back your visa, it was shocking even to you because them catch you with drugs in America. I just sentence up there. So you get it back, it's even a surprise. But Buju, I think him karma. You're this, the slaughter, the scandal, the prime minister, and even the land Jamaica. And look at now. Right back at your shop. You remember the song? No way, no better than ya. Buju! Don't take the dog from the body, you know. Driver! I hope it's a legend, you know. Because if it is truth, you deserve it. We're not wishing bad for you, but we want you to get back to what? DJ Khaled will help you again. Can him do the first time. Think again. Don't this your barnyard. And nobody from down here. Buju! Peace and revoke. And work for me. Take it from him. Back a yard. Like a dog, same way again.
Yes, put in the comment section if you believe these rumors or not. Like I said, people, I don't see no major outlets talking about it, but it's a trending story right now. But you know what the thing go with these media outlets, do things for views. And they should really, watch out for the lawsuits, because saying, someone's visa get revoked can, like, stop them from make money. You know what I mean? People say, oh, his visa revoked, we can't book him. And boom, you get lawsuit for lying. This is what I said. But we're not going long with this no longer. Just giving them quick updates, yeah, in the night. So do the right thing, my people. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in dancehall. Bless.